Welcome back to. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Domino's Pizza app in 2025. Domino's is a well-known pizza chain, and its app aims to make ordering convenient and efficient. The purpose of this review is to give you an honest and unbiased evaluation of the app's features, usability, and overall performance. We'll be considering the 2025 context, including any recent updates the app has received and how it measures up against current trends in the competitive food delivery app landscape. Let's dive into the Domino's Pizza app's user interface and user experience. On the pro side, the app is generally clean and easy to navigate, offering an intuitive ordering process. The customization options are a definite plus, and the visual appeal contributes to a positive experience. Furthermore, the inclusion of accessibility features, like screen reader compatibility, is commendable. However, there are some drawbacks. Users have reported occasional glitches and slow loading times. The app can also feel cluttered at times due to various promotions. There's still room for improvement in streamlining the overall user experience, and some users with visual impairments may encounter contrast issues in certain areas of the app. Let's delve into the ordering process and customization options within the Domino's app. On the plus side, you'll find a wide variety of menu choices and impressive customization possibilities to tailor your pizza exactly to your liking. Adding or removing ingredients is a breeze, offering great flexibility. The app also boasts convenient features like the Easy Order for those who know what they want and the ability to save your favorite orders for quick reordering. Additionally, it supports group ordering with integrated payment splitting, making it easier than ever to share a meal with friends. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. The accuracy of order fulfillment can sometimes be a concern, with potential for errors in your order. The app offers limited options for those with dietary restrictions, such as vegan or gluten-free needs. The pricing structure for certain customizations can be confusing, and the availability of specific menu items can be inconsistent. Let's dive into tracking and delivery. On the plus side, you get real-time order tracking and updates, so you always know where your pizza is in the process. GPS integration provides accurate delivery estimates, which is super helpful for planning your meal. You also receive delivery driver contact information and communication options, offering a direct line to your driver if needed. And for those who prefer it, there's a curbside pickup functionality for a seamless experience. However, it's not all perfect. The accuracy of delivery time estimates can sometimes be off, with potential delays cropping up. Communication with drivers can be limited in certain situations. Inconsistent delivery coverage area can be frustrating if you're on the edge of the zone. And finally, occasional issues with tracking accuracy can leave you wondering where your pizza really is. Let's examine the payment and rewards features within the Domino's app. On the positive side, users have access to multiple payment options, including credit and debit cards, PayPal, and even Apple Pay, which provides flexibility. There's seamless integration with the Domino's Rewards program, making it easy to accumulate and use points, and redeeming coupons and discounts is a streamlined process. The app also supports gift card functionality, broadening payment choices. However, some drawbacks exist. Security concerns may arise regarding the storage of payment information, as with any digital platform. The rewards program itself has certain limitations and redemption restrictions that users should be aware of. Occasionally, customers report issues with coupon codes not applying correctly, which can be frustrating. Finally, there's a perceived lack of transparency in how rewards points are calculated, potentially leading to confusion about how to maximize the program's benefits. Let's move on to customer service and support within the Domino's app. On the positive side, the app does offer in-app customer support options, such as chat and frequently asked questions. Users have generally reported responsiveness and helpfulness from the customer service representatives they've interacted with. Plus, accessing your order history and any past issues is designed to be straightforward. However, there are some drawbacks. Many users have experienced long wait times when seeking customer service assistance. The quality of customer service can also be inconsistent, which can be frustrating. Furthermore, there are limited options for actually resolving issues directly through the app, potentially requiring you to call or use other channels. Finally, some customers have noted a lack of proactive communication from Domino's regarding order problems, leaving them in the dark about delays or other issues. Let's move on to performance and stability. On the plus side, the Domino's app generally offers good stability and reliability with a reasonable app size that doesn't hog resources. Plus, they're pretty good about pushing out regular updates and bug fixes. However, we do need to point out some downsides. Users have reported occasional crashes or freezes, and some have experienced battery drain, especially on certain devices. We've also seen reports of compatibility issues with older devices, and the app can be a bit sluggish when you're on a low bandwidth network. Thanks for watching. See you next time on. So, to wrap things up, let's quickly recap the main advantages and disadvantages of the Domino's Pizza app. After considering everything, we'll give it an overall rating and a final recommendation. And finally, we encourage you to download or update the app if you haven't already, and definitely share your own experiences and thoughts in the comment section below. We would love to hear them.